Lesson 2. Sounds of H and ending ing. The shorthand symbol for the sounds of H and ending ing is a dot. The letter H, which almost occurs at the beginning of a word. For example, the word he. He is represented by a dot and then a E circle. While ending ing is represented by a dot placed above the vowel. For example, heating. Heating. Then H, then ing dot. That's the difference of the two. Okay, then let's proceed to H and ending ing words. He. Nasample natin siya kanina. The word he is, ulit na. Okay, may draw natin. He is a E circle and then a dot. While heat is ET, then a dot. Hate is A and then T, and put a dot on the beginning of a word. While heating is E and D, then dot, and then this one. Heating. E, T, dot, and dot. While naming is N, A, M, and that. Bleeding is P, L, E, D, dot. While dating is D, A, T, dot. Okay. Then the next one is the sounds of long I. The shorthand symbol for long I is a broken A circle. Kung maalala nyo, ang A is represented by a big circle. Then, sabi dito, ang long I is represented by a broken A circle. And this is one. A circle, then broken I. Then, magbigay tayo ng sample for long I words. For example, ang mine. Mine is, okay, ulitin lang natin para klaro. And mine is the night. Medyo laki natin. Tie is broken I. Die. While high is then a dot. While my, yeah. Okay. Proceed tayo sa exercises for the lesson 2, sounds of H and ending ing and the sounds of long I. Number 1, blank, blank, right, blank, at blank, blank. Okay. Number 2, I, blank, blank, without him. And number 3, blank of worship. Number 4, praying is blank. And then number 5, kung ma-remember niyo siya, sa 1 John 4:19, we love him because blank first love us. Write your comment below on the comment section. Thank you.